Hey guys, it's beautyriotx. My daughter's in the background. If you have a problem with the sweet sound of children, then leave now because the baby stays. Welcome to Beauty of the Boxes, Battle of the Boxes. We're unboxing our BoxyCharm for July versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for July. We have a weird shape this month. I'm pretty intrigued by this. The weight of my box, people are always asking, is 0.79, in case you're wondering. And let's just get into it. Looks like we have 5 products, and the first thing I see is in a envelope. It's Luxie brushes, and these are the Gaia brushes. It includes a large eye blending brush, precision crease, and a foundation brush. This set retails for $30. I'm gonna show you these, but I'm already gonna tell you I'm most likely gonna put these in a giveaway because these aren't the kind of brushes that I normally use. But they look very nice, and I do have a bunch of Luxie brushes that I actually use, and I do actually really enjoy them. These just aren't the types of brushes that I normally use. So I don't want to use them once for a video and then have them go to waste, so somebody will be winning these. The next, ooh, I love this brand. Okay, this is Elemis. This is a very expensive bougie brand. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I like anything like skincare related that has fruits or vegetables in them because they have such beneficial ingredients, like active ingredients in them, that it's just so underutilized. So this is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. There's something on my face. Hold on a second. Let's see. This feed the skin with this versatile super green mask formulated with avocado, broccoli seed oil, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier, vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. Apply mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with damp cloth. Oh, damp dark cloth. I wonder why. I will definitely use this. This is very exciting, and this retails for $35. The next is from Appeal. Didn't we get something from Appeal? Oh yeah. It was that we've gotten 2 things. I feel like we got a some kind of lip product, and we got that really pretty bright gold liquid eyeshadow, but it had a really weird applicator. It had like a gloss applicator, but it was a really nice product. Okay, so this is and I'm gonna open this because it's green. It's not just black, so that's always fun. I love a green eyeliner. Looking good so far, BoxyCharm. And I'm sorry, all the information for BoxyCharm will be listed in the box below. And this is the Appeal Gel Liner in Forest Green. I've just dropped it right on the tip. That's great. All right, and oh, it's very creamy. It's very dark. Let's just see after one swipe. It's not as opaque on one swipe as I'm hoping it would have been, but I'll save my judgment for after I actually put it on the waterline, because that's the only place I put liner. Liquid liner, I only use one kind, and it's black on the top, but the only kind of pencil liner I use is on the waterline. But I will definitely use this in my video at the end of the week for both boxes. Oh yes, the next is from Olimar. Oh, please don't be gloss. And just so you guys know, I always get questions asking if I could do a try-on video using all the products. I did start a series where I do a try-on video with everything I got, well, almost everything I got in my subscription boxes. So I usually put it out like the week of getting these boxes. The next is from Olimar, and I love everything I've gotten from Olimar. I love. And this is something I don't love. It's a gloss. I don't like glosses, and I always give them away, but I'm gonna keep someone and try it because it's nude. This retails for $15, and this is the Des Nudes Lip Gloss. I didn't say that right, I'm sure. This is gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. And we're gonna swatch it. And oh, great, it's a doe foot applicator. Okay, it's like a peachy nude. And it's pigmented, it's not like a sheer wash of color, which is also very nice. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot. And it doesn't smell like anything. It's also nice. All right, and the last product, oh, wow, that's really pretty. Look at that packaging. Wow, it's from Butter London. Wait, time out. Speaking of Butter London, I was at Kohl's. I was literally just out, just to get out of the house. It was like 7:30 at night. Me and Lou had been inside all day. I was like, oh, let's just go somewhere just to walk around a store for like an hour. I walked into the beauty section, and I just happened to look at the Butter London eye glosses that they have, like the glazing eye glosses, like the potted, they look like the Jelly Mutt shadows. They have 2 jelly highlighters that are incredible. I did a swatch on my hand and I just couldn't stop looking at my hand. It was like liquid amazingness all down my hand. Anyway, so here we have a palette, and oh, this is surprising. I was like, immediately I'm like, oh, it's just gonna be like a boring fucking neutral palette. It's not. That is very pretty. I love that there's pops of color. Can I do a whole eye look with this? Probably not, but I'm okay with that, only because I feel like I had an issue with the Tetris palette that we got in the Ipsy because it was just such a mishmash of colors, like from light to dark. I feel like I could work a little bit more with these because they're closer in like color levels, but I like that they still have like a mix of neutrals over here. Like it kind of just, it's a palette that I could probably just work with a little bit easier. So I'm very excited to try this, and I definitely will be using this in that upcoming video, so stay tuned. All right, so that was actually a really good box. The brushes were the only things that I'm just kind of like, I'm not gonna use them, I'm gonna save them for a giveaway. Everything else I'm pretty excited about actually, so go you BoxyCharm. There's nothing else in here, right? Yep. All right, so Ipsy, the ball's in your court. If I look like really tired, it's because it's like 8 in the morning and I normally don't film this early. So here we have our Ipsy for the month of July, and here we go. The theme for this month is Dive In. Looks like we have 6 full-size products in here, and the first one, ooh, is fun. It's by Pixi, and it's the Glow Mist with propolis, argan oil, and it's a nourishing mist. It's one of the ones like that has oil in it, and you mix it, and you shake it and mix it. I'm pretty sure this is a full size. It's 2.7 fluid ounces, retails for $15. Formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a glowy, dewy finish. Shake it up, mist to your skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. Hair? That's weird. I'll definitely actually try the hair. That's cool. That's very exciting. I'll definitely try that. And I can use this in the Get Ready With Me video featuring stuff from this box. All right, the next is probably something I'm not gonna use. So maybe I'll save this for a giveaway. This is the Benetint Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. This is something that's been out for a while. It's like an OG product. This retails for $30, and it's a lip and cheek stain. This legendary lip and cheek stain has a light, watery-like texture that makes it easy to go from subtle and sheer to bright and bold. Lasts all day and night. So yeah, you dab a drop onto moisturized lips and cheeks and blot with finger. So yeah, this isn't something I would ever use more than once, so I'm not gonna open it and waste it. So I'm gonna save this for a giveaway, but it's a nice product. Okay. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, and I'm just saying because it's a mascara, and honestly, I'm just not a huge mascara fan. Like, I don't even spend money on mascara. The only mascaras that I use online. The one mascara that I've actually bought myself is the Maybelline Lash Discovery, and it's because it's the only mascara I use for my lower lashes because it has such a small wand. But every mascara I've literally ever used and liked is just one that I've gotten boxes. So I'll keep this, but I'm not gonna open it yet because I have a bunch still open. But wow, this is super heavy. Okay, so this is the Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extension Mascara in Bryn. This retails for $24. A single swipe of this mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna try it in a video. I'll use this in the upcoming video because I always use lashes in my videos. I never go without them anymore, so I will skip lashes for the upcoming Get Ready With Me video featuring these 2 subscription boxes, and I will use this and put these claims to the test. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. Okay, I'm gonna try this. All right, let's see, up next. Oh, okay, another Touch in Soul product. I've more often than not been a fan of their stuff. Although, I have to say, and I think I mentioned this before, the No Problem Prime Essence, I didn't see the big deal with this. I don't really think it did anything. But anyway, this is the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream, and because it says Glow Cream, I'm already intrigued. It retails for $38. It's a K-beauty brand, This lightweight cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed collagen to plump, firm, and moisturize your skin. Plus, it's safe and gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive. After applying your toners, serums, and other skincare products, massage a dime size into your skin and tap to help it absorb. I will absolutely use it. I am actually going to keep it closed though because I have a ton of skincare that I'm trying to use up, so I don't want to use this and have to put it into my skincare regimen as one more thing to use because I just need to use some things up before I keep opening things. So I'm definitely going to keep this and use it, but I'm going to put it aside until I'm ready to use it, until I use some things up. But I will definitely keep you updated to see how this works. And the last thing in here, I think I've had this before. This is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Pink Sands. And we have, if I'm correct, Capri right here is a cream and the rest are powders. All right, and this retails again for $45. I don't need to read the description, it's a highlighter palette. So that's pretty cool. I think I used this in my very first My Favorite Things giveaway. But what happened to mine? Was it this one though? Maybe it was a different version of this. I don't know. So let's see who wins this month's Battle of the Box. Ugh. I don't know if it's gonna be a tie again because there's one thing from each box that I'm not crazy about. So from Ipsy, it was the Benetint, and from BoxyCharm, it was the brush set. Which one do I like the least? I don't know. I don't like either of them. Both came with some skincare stuff. Both came with some makeup. I feel like it might have to be a tie again because both boxes looked really good and both just had one product each that I just wasn't thrilled about, but each product wasn't bad. It was just something that I don't think I'm going to use. But I'm pretty excited about the eyeshadow palette, to be completely honest, from BoxyCharm, but I'm also really excited about the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. All right, I'm gonna stop dicking around. It's a tie. Congratulations, BoxyCharm and Ipsy, you did it! World's best cup of coffee. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which box you like the best. If you got different products in yours, let me know in the thank you comments below. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. You're done?
Yeah, we're all done.
Done?
Yeah. Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.